Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are in the best state of your health, your faith as well as your success. We make the remedy for you to increase your length. Take a avocado fruit, we need its seed. This seed is also protected by an outer layer. This is thin layer. Remove this layer and get the center of seed. Now we need to cleaning of seed. With the help of knife, remove some impurities, black spot and fluff off on the seed area. Now break this seed into two pieces from its center. Take these parts on grinding machine and starts to make its lid. This is a very small particles of avocado seed. Gather this all lid of this avocado seed and take in a separate bowl. Now add hot water in this bowl, approx 1 cup, and mix this solution gently to get a reddish solution with the help of avocado seed. Now take a carrot. This carrot is not too large or as well as not too small. This carrot size should be a medium, and make small parts of this carrot and take in a separate bowl. Carrot is rich of vitamins A and this is very useful for human health. After taking carrot pieces in a bowl, add some resin as equivalent to carrot size. These resin are basically the dry fruit of grapes. Now filter the avocado seed solution to get a reddish color solution. Now take these all three things into juicer machine and make a shake with the help of milk or as well as without milk. Without milk is more suitable. After making its mixture, take into a separate bowl and chia seeds spread on this juice.
This remedy is more effective when you add 2 spoons of honey and take it.
This juice is more effective at taking before dinner, and approx 15 to 20 days regularly take this juice and you will get a large in your size. We will meet in next video with any new remedy or medicine or any solution. Kindly subscribe our channel to get notification earlier. Bye bye.